Hi, I'm going to introduce my opportunities for water resource. What I want to solve is the problem of water pollution. In nowadays, there are many factors that have a serious impact on water resource. When pollutants into rivers, lakes, or groundwater, their contents exceed the natural purification capacity of water bodies, resulting in changes in water quality of biological community composition, thus reducing the use value and function of the water. And the reasons and meaningful I want to change this is to restore quality of the water and reduce disturbance to natural areas along the lakeside or riverbank in favor of wildlife to promote biodiversity and reduce pollution, restoring marine biodiversity in the river around our city. And I will start at to observe the living needs, habitats, and effects of aquatic plants and fish to improve the current situation of the environment and promote the balance of the ecosystem. As people know, the factors leading to water pollution, including illegal discharge of industrial factory water and human litterings. Wastewater is discharged into rivers, which seriously affects the water quality and living environment. On the other hand, algae be charged because of the quality of the water. As a result, and eventually the whole ecological environment are destroyed. And I made a list of questions and interviewed my friend around me. Uh, where do people most often feel the worst water quality, and what factors do people think affect the quality of water resource? Which creatures do people think are affected by the quality of the water? What impact does it have on their lives? What it change if water resources are improved properly? In conclusion, they feel that the place closely to the world's water quality will be rivers and lakes. However, they think the ocean was more capable of purifying uh, purifying itself because of the large ecosystem. And I think about 80% of the factors affecting water quality come from human waste and 60% from industrial factory water. And creatures most directly affected in rivers are fish, shrimp, crabs, and algae, which put their lives are at risk, make it difficult to breathe and reproduce. If human can improve the quality of water, it will benefit wildlife, promote biodiversity, even of the rivers and sea areas around our city. And in my outline schedule, next step I will investigate the location of river resource and look for any species around us like a fish or algae and survival needs of fish and algae. And there are some ideas for improving water quality. So first one is shelter above the water top. Observe the sunlight energy come here and adjust it to give it to the water below and stores the sun energy for use on cloudy days. This ensures the nutrients needs of underwater plants and animals. And next is a signal point, which falls on a lack to simply purify the water below as well as store food feed the fish. And this one is an artificial submarine wall placed on the water. Reference the roofed structure of mangroves. This favorite habitats for algae. And the last one is a reference inverted umbrella that collect rainwater and filter it underground because rainwater is kind of affected by to water quality. And this one is an underwater garbage processor that creates well posts to pour garbage into the water and break it down for recycling, which can effectively help clean up non-animals rivers. And this one is a diversion device along the river using Blu-ray to disinfect and sterilize the water. And this one is an artificial habitat for plants and underwater. And this one is also a small pool around the trees on the street, and under each tree is a simply ecological circulation system. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.